Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. This is part 4 of me still working on the my new Beetle. So we are going to work on the headlight and the also the front bumper. We have some imperfection of the bumper. For the lights, not only I'm going to replace the one missing headlight, but I will also send them. So please stay along and watch until the end. Thanks for watching. You can do it. Okay, welcome back. So this is the headlight assembly. I bought it for almost $39 at a junkyard, but online it's almost $100 used and almost $200 new. And to clean the headlight, so I bought this at Walmart. It was almost $20, I think 18. And I have some tape here if I will need, and I have some super crazy glue to try to fix the bumper. Uh, First of all, before I start removing the lights, I need to disconnect the battery, and that would be the ideal thing to do. So now to remove the this headlight, the bad one, you don't have to remove the battery, take the battery out. But again, I have the time, so I'm going to do that. But again, you must disconnect the battery so you won't have you won't lose any, you won't fry anything. Okay, so now we are going to remove the headlight assembly. So you see on the battery side, it's a lot easier when the battery is not there because you have plenty of room. And believe it or not, for a German car, it is quite easy to remove the headlight assembly. No bolts or screws whatsoever. And you see that's the wiring harness, and you just unsnap it, and this one and just this will stay. So let me go ahead and unsnap it right now, and then after that we just have to push this out. All right folks, just ignore everything that is missing here. The battery I've already told you, but you see I took out the housing, the engine intake housing. The reason is because I just couldn't get the light housing out. It took me over an hour, so I had to make a room. But here's what happens. Okay, first, once you see, it will come loose like this, and okay. So here's what happened is this here was okay, this bar here was like this, and holding it in this the hook here. So that's why I couldn't figure out how to remove it. So maybe somebody has been here before me, but you see, that's how it's done. So yeah, that's the driver side. See, so that's it. So see, this one stays it stays. That's the wiring harness. It stays. All I have to do just push the other one in. All right. So the right side, the passenger side, is the same thing. You just go in there. There is a disconnected, or there is a little switch in there, and then it will just come. You push it out, and you see it will come out. So again, like I said, the other one, the reason I had to remove all those stuff is because this one here was in the up position and then hooked it in. So now let me go ahead and put the air filter, the engine air filter back. So I put the engine air filter box back the way it belongs, and so now I just need to keep on messing with this. So I'm going to glue the bumper, and you see what happens here is see the bumper is cracked at the edge. So I'm not going to get another bumper, and I could fix this with resin and other stuff, bundle stuff, but I'm not gonna do that. I have glue, super glue. I will put that in the in the center here, and it's the same for over here. I will use glue. The this is the passenger side, and one reason why this one's been is a stick up or out, it's because someone's been here, certainly before me, and did not align it properly. You see the contour here, the side, it's sitting on the light housing where it's supposed to be down here. So that's what I'm going to do, pull this out and then push it back down. Okay, this is the one I bought and I'm replacing, and so I just check it and all the lights work, so I don't need to change the light bulbs. Okay, so you can see I put it. This is the wiring harness. All I do and connect it, and it's working. I check all the high beam, low beam. This is the low beam. Okay, so it works. So now all I will have to do is clean the surface, and you can see what I did here with the glue. Okay, this is the other side. This is what I did. So now I'm going to clean the light. All right, so now it's time for clear coats. I put 2 coats. You can do 3, 4, 5 if you want to, but 2 were just enough for me. All right, my friends, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.